Good morning children, welcome to MBM classes. Today let us see type 2 in factorization. Here it is given a into f plus g plus b into f plus g. We have to factorize this. So first step in factorization is always take out the HCF of the different terms given over here. So if you are going to observe this first term and the second term. So what is the HCF of in these two terms? So you are able to observe that f plus g, here also you are having f plus g. So that will be written in the first bracket. As I said earlier, HCF is always written in the first bracket, and in the second bracket we will divide each term by the HCF. So you divide and show a into f plus g divided by f plus g plus b into f plus g divided by f plus g. Now you can cancel f plus g and f plus g over here. This cancellation already you have learnt in algebraic expression. Similarly, f plus g and f plus g gets cancelled. So my final answer will be f plus g into a plus b. So this is your answer. Let us see one more example. X into b minus c plus y into b minus c. So observe these two terms. What is the HCF? You underline the HCF b minus c and b minus c. So first bracket I will take b minus c. In second bracket I will divide each term by b minus c. So if you understand this procedure, that is each term is divided by the HCF, you will get the answer correctly. So b minus c into this b minus c and b minus c is getting cancelled. X minus again b minus c, x minus y. Please remember, you should not cut b and b, c and c. Single cut should be there because it is an expression. So b minus c, b by 1, single cut should be there. Here also b minus c and b minus c. Should not cut it b and b, c and c. That is wrong. Understood? Next, moving on to the third sum. Here you are able to see 7x plus 14y plus x plus 2y whole square. Here you are not able to see any HCF. So let me combine the first two terms and see whether I am able to get any HCF. So as we did in the previous exercise, while combining these two terms, let me find the HCF of first the number 7 and 14. HCF of 7 and 14 is 7. And inside the second bracket will be each term will be divided by HCF. So 7x divided by 7 will be 7. 14y divided by 7 will be 2y. Next, here it is x plus 2y whole square. Now the HCF we have got it as, sorry, here it is x not 7. So x plus 2y. So now you are having x plus 2y and x plus 2y whole square. That means here you are having 1 time x plus 2y and you are having 2 times. That means my HCF will be x plus 2y, and in the second bracket each term is divided by x plus 2y. Now this whole term is divided by x plus 2y means I will be getting 7 plus here you are having x plus 2y into x plus 2y. 2 times can be written as x plus 2y into x plus 2y divided by x plus 2y. So this x plus 2y and x plus 2y will get cancelled. So my answer will be x plus 2y into 7 plus x plus 2y. Similarly, coming over here you are having 5y minus 3z whole square minus 10y plus 6z. Here 5y minus 3z is here, but I am not able to find any 5y minus 3z to take it out as a common factor. So first I am going to group the last two terms and see whether I am able to get 5y minus 3z. So repeat the same step. 5y minus 3z whole square and HCF of minus 10 and 6 I am going to take it as minus 2, and 10y divided by 2 will be equal to 5y, minus 6z divided by minus 2 will be minus 3z. So now you are able to observe I am getting the HCF as 5y minus 3z and again 5y minus 3z. So let me take out the HCF. 5y minus 3z. HCF is nothing but the common factor. We are going to take it out. So here to this first term divided by this HCF will give me 5y minus 3z minus this second term divided by this HCF will give me 5y minus 2, because already you are having these two terms will get cancelled. So my answer will be here minus 2. So this is my answer. So simple concept you have to remember. First term always first bracket always you write the HCF. In the second bracket you always write the each term divided by HCF. Whatever terms you are grouping, this concept remains the same. First bracket HCF, second bracket each term divided by HCF. This process is continued until you find the common factor. We have reached the last step. Here we are not able to find out any common factor, so we will stop here. So we will proceed unless we will get the common factor. If we are not able to find out any common factor, we can stop it. Now 3x into x minus y plus 2y into x minus y plus 7 into y minus x. Here you are able to observe. Here you are having x minus y. Here also I am having x minus y. But when you come over here, you are able to see here I am having y minus x. But I need x minus y. So what is the opposite of y minus x? So opposite of y minus x is x minus y. So when I take the opposite of this expression, I will take this opposite of this sign also. So I will be writing, see how am I writing? 3x into x minus y plus 2y into x minus y. This opposite of plus sign is minus, again 7 into, so opposite of y minus x will be x minus y. Now you are having x minus y and x minus y. So which is the HCF of x minus y in the first bracket. Second bracket, this first term divided by HCF will be 3x. Second term divided by HCF will be 2y. And the third term divided by HCF will be minus 7. So this is my answer. So whenever you want to change any expression according to the previous term, just take the opposite. If you take the opposite, don't forget to take the opposite sign of this also. If we have minus, we will take plus. If we have plus, we will change it to minus. Next, 10 plus 2y minus first 5z minus zy. Here also I am not able to find any common factors. When we have 4 terms, I am going to group two terms together. So when I group the first 2 terms, HCF of 10 and 2 will be 5. So inside the first bracket is over. In the second bracket, each term divided by HCF. 10 divided by 5 is 2. Sorry, 10 and 2 is the HCF. 10 divided by 2 is 5 plus 2 divided by 2 is 2. So y I will be getting. Similarly, if I compare these two, minus z I can take it as HCF, and inside the bracket each term divided by HCF will give me 5, and here plus y. So here you should remember minus zy divided by minus z will give me plus y. So 5 plus y is the HCF again. 5 plus y into 2 minus z. When 5 plus y, this term is divided by 5 plus y, I will get 2. And when the second term is divided by 5 plus y, I will get minus z. After reaching the last step, here I am able to observe, I am not able to find further any common factor or HCF. So I will stop it over here. Now we will move on to type 3, where we have to do some rearrangement to take the common factor outside. here if you are able to see 4 terms are there. If I combine the first 2 terms and the last 2 terms, so if I combine the first 2 terms, I am not able to find any HCF or common factor. Similarly, last 2 terms are also we are not able to find any common factor. So a slight rearrangement I am going to do. I am going to compare the first and the third term and the second and the fourth term. You can also do first and the fourth and the second and the third. As you wish, you can rearrange, but you have to do the rearrangement so that I can take the common factor outside. So after write the rearrangement, ax square first, next is third term bx square, next is second term by square plus ay square. Now you compare the first and second, third and the fourth. So if you are going to observe the first and the second, x square is the HCF, and what is left out inside the bracket, first term divided by HCF will give me a, and the second term divided by HCF will give me b. Similarly, coming over here, by square plus ay square, HCF is y square, and first term divided by y square will give me b, second term divided by y square will give me a. Again, don't stop because I am having the common factor a plus b. So I will take a plus b and divide each term by a plus b. So in the second bracket I get x square plus second term divided by a plus b will give me y square. Whenever you are not able to find any common factor, plus try to rearrange and see after rearrangement you can you take the common factor outside. Next example, m cube plus 4m plus 5m square plus 20. Here also when I compare the first two, I am getting the common factor, but in the second, check whether you are able to get the common factor. Yes, if you are getting the common factor, no problem, you can continue. So in the first two, I am going to take m as the common factor, and my answer will be m square plus 4. And in the second one, 5 is the common factor. So in second bracket, each term divided by common factor will give me m square plus 4. So my answer will be m square plus 4 into m plus 5. Here I am going to 54x plus 10y minus 12x minus 45. You may say that first two factor 2 is common, and in the second two factor again 3 is common. But I will show you why we cannot do this. Because 54x, if I take 2 as common, I will get 27x plus 5y. And here if I take 3 as common, I will get xy 4xy minus plus 15. But are you able to see? I am not able to proceed further because here I am not getting a common factor. So what I am going to do is do the rearrangement. So first and the third term, I am going to do the rearrangement. 54x minus 12xy plus 10y minus 45. So common factor between 54 and 12 is 6, and x is there, so 6x is a common factor. So 9 minus 2y, and here if I take 10 and 45, 5 as the common factor, I will get 2y minus 9. As I said earlier, here 9 minus 2y is there, here 2y minus 9 is there. So to make it equal, I have to take the opposite of 2y minus 9. What is opposite of 2y minus 9 is 9 minus 2y. But at the same time, I had to take the opposite of this plus sign also. So I will do 6x into 9 minus 2y minus 5 into 9 minus 2y. So this is equal to 9 minus 2y into 6x minus 5. Coming to the next sum, ab square minus bc square minus ab plus c square. Again I am going to try the first and the second last two. So in the first two, b square is there, b is there. So HCF will be b. So inside the bracket I will be getting ab minus c square. And if I come over here, here nothing is common. If nothing is common, I can take as 1 also as common. So I am going to take minus 1 as common and write inside ab minus c square. So if I observe ab minus c square is the HCF. So AB minus C square into B minus 1. Even you can do this by rearrangement also, by first and the third, second and the last. Without rearrangement also we are getting, because we are able to see these two terms are same. Here you should not forget to take minus 1 as a common fact, HCF over here. Hope you understood this rearrangement sums.